coming at you in high quality sound without a mic today. Let's talk about the Husqvarna 522L trimmer. Guys, this is an awesome machine that often gets overlooked. It's not a professional grade, but much of its DNA comes from the Husqvarna professional grade trimmers, working up into their 525, 526, 535. The 522L is a perfect match for somebody that's got a quarter acre, a half acre lot who's just looking to trim, just looking to weed eat around their property, not gonna run a blade. It's light, weighs under 10 pounds. I wanna say it's like 9.1 pounds, just over a horsepower, 1.2 horsepower. So great power to weight ratio. Awesome head here. It's got the T25 head, easy to load, good line capacity, great feed characteristics. A Greaseable Gearbox, that's nice. That's gonna give us long life. That's something that gets skipped on a lot of lower price trimmers. An easy to adjust front handle. I can take my Torx wrench that came with it, T27, loosen, and slide this handle up and down to match my height. What works for me. And return to run stop switch, meaning that once I kill it, I don't need to remember to turn it back on again. A protected spark plug. Drop it on the ground, not gonna bust the spark plug off. Just a nice comfortable shrouding that fits, for me, fits my elbow. Really nice when I'm out there string trimming with it. Easy to start with the primer and the choke mechanism. An air filter that is simple to get to. Remove this or loosen this knob. I've got a nice large capacity felt filter with a foam filter in front of it to extend the life of that. Protected fuel tank, so I'm not gonna scuff that up or damage that. A nice anti-vibration system. You see this move, this flex in the handle, so it's just a smooth operator. And then their E-Start, Husqvarna's E-Start, smooth, easy pull, something that's not gonna wreck your body. I love it. If you're looking for a lightweight, powerful trimmer that comes in under $300, the Husqvarna 522L, it might be the tool just for you. Hey, this is Josh from Carl's Mower and Saw. Thanks for watching our videos. We're proud of the fact that we've been serving you with the best in outdoor power equipment since 1990. We're glad that you had an opportunity to sit down, watch our videos, learn something about an exciting new product that we have, something that interests you for your property, or really how to use your equipment to the best of its ability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, whether it's on Instagram or YouTube. We're excited to share more information with you. See you soon.